So recently, I have a lot of community members who are asking, how do I move my funds from the Solana ecosystem to probably the Binance Smart Chain without having to send my money from Phantom Wallet to Binance and then sending from Binance back to Trust Wallet or MetaMask where I have BNB and the likes. Okay, so I'll be showing us the nitty-gritty of how to go about that today. In today's video, I'll be using Allbridge Core. An Allbridge Core is just a bridge, as the name implies, to link one blockchain to another blockchain. So since I have my funds in my Phantom wallet, which is directly interacting with the Solana ecosystem, I can be able to move my funds from Phantom into my MetaMask in the Binance Smart Chain. So let's dive in. The first thing I want to do is that I want to be sure that the first wallet where I have the funds I want to move it to is in USDC. So I need to have Solana in USDC. In this case, I already do have that. I'll just check to confirm. I have about $13 worth of USDC coin. Now, since I have some USDC in my Phantom wallet, I want to go ahead and click Connect Wallet. I'll click Connect, I'll click Phantom. Voila, my Phantom wallet is currently connected to the Allbridge Core platform. The next thing I want to do is to connect my other wallet to the same Allbridge. So my MetaMask in this case, I'll click Connect Wallet and I'll hit MetaMask. And voila, my MetaMask is currently connected to the Allbridge platform. I'm going to input the amount of USDC I want to send from my Phantom to my MetaMask. I'm going to enter 13. Let me do 12.1. Yep. So I'm doing 12.1 USDC. Okay, the next thing I want to do is probably to look at the fee. You can see that the fee is way less than cents. Okay, so the average transfer time is about 2 minutes. So let's do that quickly. I'm going to click send. I need to approve the transaction on my Phantom wallet, and I've just done that. So now we're trying to send USDC from our Phantom wallet to receive BUSD on the Binance Smart Chain. So let's give it at least about 2 minutes so that the transaction can fulfill or get validated. So now you can see the transaction is showing us success. It took about 3 minutes for this to validate completely. So I'll quickly check my MetaMask to confirm if I've received the fund. And there you go, we've received 12.12 BUSD, and that's it over here. So you see, it takes about 5 minutes to move your funds from the Solana blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain. So you don't have to go through the route of converting your funds on a centralized exchange. All you just need to do is to use a bridge, and you can use Allbridge Core at the moment. Thanks for watching this video. If you got value for your time, please do well to like, subscribe, and share this video with your peers. And see you in the next video. Bye from here.